Gage, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning a car.
Why?
Because it's covered in oil.
Okay, well the reason Gage is cleaning the car is because, as usual, we have an M5 with a blown motor and it needs to get swapped. So, another installation, motor swaps with Speedhaus.
And typically you don't degrease the side of the car, but guess what? It blew up, oil went all over everything. So we're getting a clean slate so we don't destroy the paint. We're trying to be aggressive, but it's hard. It's cold out here.
It's so cold.
Chainsaw Texas Massacre with cylinders 1 and 2.
Oh my, that is crazy.
Holy cow.
Oh my.
The front's gone. One rod.
First two. 1 and 5. Now we got
3.3 liter twin turbo V6.
Gage, you're doing a great job.
Yeah. That's cold. They're wet. That's what we tell the minimum wage employees to keep them around.
Gage, you pretty much done with this? Alright. You gonna grab the door for me here in a second? I got a surprise for everybody.
The door.
The doors. This door.
A surprise.
Yeah, not that door. I'm not getting in that door yet. Yes, sir. Alright, hold on. It's like that one home remodel show. A while ago. I don't know.
You know what's going on?
I don't know what's going on. He's lost his mind.
Oh.
Are you guys ready to see what's behind this bus? House, you know what to say? You gotta say it with me. Bus driver, move that
Oh my.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Ladies and gentlemen, this here. Be careful with this lid. It's delicate.
Oh.
So this here is our high mileage F82 M3. I mean $30,000 S63.
All right, what are we looking at?
So in all seriousness, this is a carbon motor. So it's a stage 2 built motor. So it's got rods, pistons, but it's rated for roughly 1,000 horsepower. It's an absolute beast of an engine.
This is going in the M5?
Going to the M5. The M5 blown up, and so the replacement is this nice built S63 motor. It'll handle all the power and everything. So hopefully it won't go boom again.
Speaking of like nice thing, dude, they put spark plugs in here.
Huh?
Spark plugs in it.
There's
Nice.
already spark plugs in this motor. That's impressive. They also wrinkle black the valve covers, which is very nice. Okay, so for 30K, you get this table stand, some exhaust manifold gaskets, a gasket with a weight. You get a Mahle OX35 something D. Ooh, new oil. We got the fuel pump gaskets for there.
We have 2 ratchet straps. Yep.
That's nice.
Do we get the free ratchet straps?
Yeah, it's so you can tow your car after it blows up the second time.
No.
Yep.
This is to help get it back off the side of the road after you 100%. So this really did come to us exactly how this is. Outside of accessories, everything's on, ready to go. The shipping company did damage our water pump, so we are waiting on another one from them. But nope, pretty much rip the old one out, put the new one in. Simple as that.
Solid.